chance. Go Winka, go Winka, go Winka, go Winka. Go Winka, go Winka, go Winka, go Winka. Go Winka, go Winka, go Winka. What, Winka? Go Winka, go Winka. Where the hell GJ at?
I have no freaking clue. When I talked to him earlier, he said he was still out of town.
Yeah, I already said I texted her and said he was out of town.
I didn't even know his big dog head ass went out of town. I think I do, but I don't recall. Shit. I think he got a girl in North Carolina.
Get away sometimes. Shit, fuck it. I'm going to hit with the girl for a few days.
I hope so. Let's hope it's the right one. Hope it's the right one.
Yeah. You know how my boy do that, switch him up quick?
Right. No, he gets bored super fast. I ain't got time for that. As we are getting older. So we gotta slow down now.
Yeah. Well, I say with that type of shit, all that ripping and running from female to female.
Yeah, catch up with you.
Yeah, that shit's getting old.
Right. I'm not telling him that. But see, he young.
Mm-hmm.
So he ain't feeling
Thinking that, yeah. Cause he what, 25, 26?
Yep.
Yeah, I still was, doing it ripping and running. Uh-huh. Like I said, for her to be me getting my hair done, she's sitting right here chilling though.